Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube platform. I will mix both the English and the tree for better understanding. Those who don't understand the tree can able to do it, and those who don't understand English, one want to treat English in no, and a quiet at yasi. We a smart digital satellite. Yeah, obi wɔ hɔ akɔtɔ DSTV na ɔfa difficult sɛ ɔbɛyɛ den. Ɔno ankasa bɛyɛ install and then mɛkyerɛ kwan bɛfa so ɔbɛyɛ install wɔ adeɛ. So follow the procedure. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I will take my remote, my DSTV remote, the DSTV remote to Mefa. Nama mia okay. I will select the English. You will select your language type. So here we speak English. Nti me mia so na ma pick English no. Oh, yeah, sorry. I choose the Portuguese side. So I'll go back. Then I'll choose the English. I'll choose the English. After choosing the English, so we choose English here. Then you place on the left sideways button on the remote. Then you change it to E36B. After that, then you press OK. When you press OK, then you come to manual setup. Manual setup. Then you press OK. Then you come to the LMB type. Then you select universal. After selecting universal, come to scan. Have you seen the signal, the tuner signal status and the signal? You have to get the signal there. All the four have to be filled. Okay. Four then I say fill. Now we want say signal right there. But in this one say fill see. Ubetimi ache signal na fill see. Ubetimi about half. Then you beba. Depending on your signal quality. Until now, maybe me okay. I must start scanning. And then scanning. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Bismarck the Guitar Satellite. Yeah. Done. So after that, you can watch all your favorite stations. Yeah. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. This is Bismarck the Guitar Satellite. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you next time.